everyone, I'm Dr. Candida Schwartz. I'm a naturopathic doctor as well as an intuitive healer. Welcome to my channel, Vital Healing. I wanted to talk today about breast health. These are two things that you can do on a regular basis. You could do them daily, you could do them every other day, just part of your self-care ritual. And they're specifically really great for just overall breast health, and they're really great for fibrocystic breasts, especially as hormones change and fluctuate throughout the month. And as a result of all of that, especially, well, both of them actually could be very, very helpful to do to prevent breast cancer. And so I just wanted to talk about them, especially if you're over 35 and you've never had a baby, or you've never breastfed specifically, or if you've had a child over the age of 35. These are three things that can predispose you to cancer, breast cancer. So there are many other things also to consider, but these are just kind of my focuses for today. So whether you are still cycling, whether you're no longer cycling anymore, these are just some things that you could do to just to optimize your breast health. The first thing that I like to talk about is castor oil. I like the roll on, and every night before bed, I roll this onto my breasts. I just kind of go, just towards the nipple. You could do it kind of however it feels right to you. Just make sure that you put on a t-shirt that you don't care about. Wash your hands really well. Don't let anybody lick the castor oil, because it is especially like a cat or something small, or a child, it can make them sick, because it is it is a toxin ultimately, but it's perfectly safe to rub over the breasts, and this can help break up that fibrocystic tissue, especially if you know that you fluctuate throughout the month. You might want to do it at least 3 times a week, or every day. And then if you're getting to that point in your cycle where you know that your breasts are going to be really painful and sore and swollen, just make sure you do it a few days before, or at the beginning day of that soreness. And do it every day until it stops. So yeah, castor oil is amazing. It crosses the skin barrier and really detoxifies the tissue underneath, and really, really helpful. And then in the morning after the shower, I make a roller bottle. So I do a roller bottle, and I fill it with 5 drops of neroli, 5 drops of pink peppercorn, and 5 drops of frankincense. So if you just have frankincense, do that. If you just have pink peppercorn, do whatever feels right. But these are oils that have a lot of antioxidants and can really help break up that tissue and promote overall really good, healthy breast health. It's very hard to self-breast exam in general for a lot of patients of mine, and it's also it's really hard when you've got the lumpy, bumpy breasts. I remember when I was in my 20s, my naturopath told me, she's like, yeah, your boobs kind of feel like oatmeal, so it's really tricky, and it can be really scary, and it can be really nerve-wracking. So let's optimize the health of your beautiful breasts, and while you're doing it and rubbing it, you're feeling the tissue. So it's kind of like you're keeping in good, healthy contact with your breasts in general. So if something were to look or feel different, you would know to go to the doctors and get it checked out, because the two biggest things are prevention and catching it early. So, and then this will also, like I said, really help with those fibrocystic breasts, whether you are still cycling, or even perimenopause or postmenopause. These can be really helpful. Really great for the tissue. And I'm also going to link below 2 of my hormone seed cycling videos that can be really great for the fibrocystic breasts, and just helping to regulate your hormones by just eating certain seeds throughout the month. You know, anything that we can do that's non-invasive, that's easy and safe, is always great, right? It's always great. So please like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell, comment below. Do you want to learn more about breast health? What are you interested in? I'm happy to do videos on just about anything. So have a great day, take good care of yourself, and we will see you next time.